Hey teammates, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm MJ and I'm all about custom apparel, business tips, and real life experiences as a t-shirt designer. But today, I want to talk about something just as important as making great t-shirts, which is our health, specifically our back health and how we can protect it while working in this industry. I came across a young lady that just turned 35 who was living with an eye disease. After seeing three doctors, they all told her there wasn't a cure nor remedy that would help her get her vision back, and she may be legally blind in one of her eyes by the time she is 40 years old. Sharing my story about my back condition hasn't been easy, but because of her transparency and bravery, I gained a little courage to get personal with you all today because this is something I've been struggling with for a while. Since February 2021, I've been living with DJD, commonly known as degenerative joint disease, sometimes referred to as degenerative joint disorder, degenerative disc disease, and medically called osteoarthritis. In this video, I will be referring to it as DJD. DJD is a condition that developed from my past job working in a car factory. Recently, I had a severe back attack that left me completely debilitated. It reminded me how critical it is to take care of our bodies, especially our backs, so we can continue doing what we love without pain holding us back. The back is literally the backbone of everything we do. Whether you are sitting at a desk designing, standing and pressing shirts, or lifting heavy boxes of inventory, every movement depends on a strong and healthy spine. Even though I've tried physical therapy, a chiropractor, and even cupping therapy, the relief only lasts a few hours. Right now, I'm currently waiting to receive a radio frequency thermocoagulation, or RFT, which I'll explain in a bit, and I may have pronounced that wrong. But first, let's talk about why back health is so important, especially for us as t-shirt designers. Section 1. Why back health matters for t-shirt designers. As t-shirt designers, we spend a lot of time either sitting at our desk designing, standing at our heat press, or bending over to work on projects. That constant standing, bending, and even hunching over can lead to long-term back issues. And trust me, once back pain starts, it does not play fair. So if you're in the business for the long haul, you've got to take care of your back now, not later. Section 2. How prevalent is DJD among adults aged 30 to 45? DJD is more commonly associated with older adults, but it can affect people between 30 and 45 years old, especially due to factors like past injuries, heavy physical labor, genetics, obesity, joint misalignments, or overuse. While DJD is more prevalent in those over 50, studies show that symptoms can start as early as the 30s or 40s, especially in those with high impact jobs or previous joint injuries. Early onset DJD in younger adults is often underdiagnosed because joint pain at this age is usually attributed to other causes like muscle strain or overuse. Since I worked in a car factory, the repetitive motion and heavy lifting has accelerated the joint wear, making DJD appear earlier than usual. This is why ergonomics and preventative care are so important, even for younger people in physical jobs or businesses like mine. Section 3. Stats and studies. In 2019, approximately 32.97 million people aged 30 to 44 years old worldwide were living with DJD, with about 7.79 million new cases reported that year. In the United States, a study revealed that among individuals diagnosed with DJD, 30.4% reported receiving their diagnosis before the age of 45. These statistics highlight that DJD is not solely a condition of the elderly. Younger adults, particularly those with risk factors such as joint injuries, repetitive stress from occupations like factory work, or genetic predispositions, are also susceptible. Recognizing and addressing these risks early is crucial to managing and potentially mitigating the impact of DJD. Section 4. What is a medial branch block injection and radiofrequency thermocoagulation, RFT? You might be wondering, what is this radiofrequency thermocoagulation or RFT I mentioned earlier? First, let me describe the prerequisite step you must do before you get it. That would be a medial branch block injection, or MBB. It is a type of pain management procedure where doctors inject a numbing medication near the nerves that send pain signals from the spine. It is not a permanent fix, but it helps pinpoint exactly where the pain is coming from and can provide temporary relief. That procedure itself is quick, usually taking 15 to 30 minutes to perform. However, the pain relief duration can vary. Immediate relief. The numbing medication or local anesthetic starts working within minutes and can last a few hours to a couple of days. Diagnostic purposes. If pain relief occurs, it helps confirm that the medial branch nerves are the source of pain. Temporary relief. Some patients experience pain relief for several days to a few weeks, but it is not a long-term solution. Next step, if the block is effective, doctors may recommend a radiofrequency thermocoagulation, RFT, which provides a longer lasting relief by disrupting the pain signals for 6 months to over a year. When I got this done last in October 2021, my results are as follows. I received about 90% relief from October 2021 until June of 2024. From June 2024 to March 8th, I got about 85% relief. And then from March 8th to March 14th this year, I got it went down to about 40% relief. And then from March 14th until the 16th, it was like 0%. So for me, this is a step toward figuring out a long-term solution for my back. But my goal is to prevent others like you from getting to this point in the first place. I promise you, you do not want to be here. Section 5. How to protect your back for a long, healthy career. So, what can we do to keep our back strong and healthy for years to come? Exercise, of course, but more importantly, invest in ergonomic accessories. Everyone walks around saying how health is wealth, but no one is investing in the tools I'm about to share with you today to sustain that health. Well, not everybody, I should say. If we don't take care of ourselves now, it'll be harder to do what we love later. Ergonomics is everything. If you're sitting for long periods designing or standing to work on shirts, you need the right ergonomic setup. Investing in ergonomic accessories can significantly enhance comfort, and reduce strain during long hours of t-shirt design work. Here are some specific product must-haves tailored for t-shirt designers, things that I wish I had done sooner. The links to these items will be in the description box below. Here are some must-haves for your workspace. Proper desk height. Your computer screen should be at eye level to prevent slouching. Invest in an ergonomic chair. If you spend a lot of time designing at your desk, get a chair that supports your lower back. Look for lumbar support and adjustable armrest. If you don't have one, add a lumbar support pillow. Use a standing desk or adjustable workstation. Standing too long is rough, but sitting all day isn't great either. A height adjustable desk lets you switch between sitting and standing. Anti-fatigue mats. If you are standing at your heat press for hours or at any job, a cushioned anti-fatigue mat can take a lot of pressure off your spine. Monitor stand or adjustable arm. This keeps your screen at eye level to prevent neck strain. Laptop stand offers improved ergonomics, better airflow for cooling, enhanced posture, and increased productivity by elevating the laptop to eye level, reducing strain and promoting comfort. Footrest offers numerous benefits, including improved circulation, reduced lower back pain, enhanced posture, and increased comfort, particularly for those who sit for extended periods. Wrist rest supports your wrist when using a mouse or keypad for long hours. Compression socks helps with circulation and reduces leg fatigue from long hours on your feet. Supportive shoes or insoles reduces foot and back pain while standing for extended periods. If you are on your feet a lot, invest in shoes with good arch support. Bad shoes equals back pain waiting to happen. For proper posture and movement, posture corrector helps train your back and shoulders to stay in proper alignment. A height adjustable stool. This is great for alternating between sitting and standing without strain. Standing desk balance board. This engages core muscles and improves posture while standing. Herman Miller Aeron chair. Renowned for its exceptional lumbar support and adjustable feature, this chair promotes healthy posture during extended periods of sitting. Its mesh design ensures breathability, keeping you cool throughout your design sessions. Wacom Intuos Pen Tablet. Replacing a traditional mouse with a pen tablet can alleviate wrist strain. The Wacom Intuos offers a natural drawing experience, making it a valuable tool for designers seeking precision and comfort. I think I said that wrong. Intuos? Wacom Intuos? Maybe that's it. Ergonomic keyboards. This ergonomic keyboard features a 3D wave design with contoured keys that align with natural hand positions, reducing wrist pain. It includes wireless connectivity, multi-touch gestures, backlit keys, and magnetic wrist pads for enhanced comfort. Incorporating these ergonomic accessories into your workspace can help maintain back health and overall well-being, ensuring you can continue creating exceptional t-shirt designs comfortably. Taking care of your back now will make sure you can keep doing what you love without pain slowing you down. Exercises. Move your body. Staying in one position for too long, whether sitting or standing, stresses your spine. Here's what helps me. Stretch every 30 minutes. Simple back stretches or even standing up for a minute helps a lot. Strengthen your core. A strong core supports your spine. Gentle exercises like planks or yoga can make a big difference. Stay hydrated. Your spine needs water to keep the disc healthy and cushioned. Know your limits and listen to your body. Even just doing these small stretches daily can make a huge difference in preventing pain and stiffness. One of the biggest lessons I've learned through my journey is to listen to my body. Pushing through pain only makes things worse in the long run. A lot of us are so busy, we unknowingly work through the pain. But when that day off comes and you wake up in the morning, that's when it hits you. And by that time, the pain is severe. Take breaks, use those ergonomic tools, and don't be afraid to rest when needed. Stretch regularly. Set reminders to get up, stretch, and move around every 30 to 45 minutes. Even simple stretches can help. Proper lifting techniques. When handling large box orders of shirts or heavy rolls of vinyl, always bend at the knees and not at your back. I felt it was important to share my story with you all because I have been silently battling this by myself, and I don't want anyone else to go through what I've been dealing with. If you're a t shirt designer, an artist, factory or construction worker, or anyone who works in a similar space, please take your health seriously because at the end of the day, health is wealth. I hope this video helps someone out there who might be dealing with back pain or just wants to avoid it in the future. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other tips for keeping your back healthy while working, drop them below in the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs to hear this. Stay healthy, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.